Our president just launched a meme coin, and it has a hidden use case that nobody is talking about. So in this video, I'm going to talk about what that hidden use case is, what Trump launching a meme coin can mean for crypto. I'm going to show you guys my yield farming strategy for how I'm making around 3% per day passively. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to give you my price prediction for how high I think Trumpcoin can go. So before we get started, I do have to say, none of this is financial advice. These are my own perspectives, research, and opinions, and should be treated as such. All right, let's jump in. So first, what is Trumpcoin? It is a meme coin, and he launched it during his crypto ball. He had a crypto ball Friday night, like right before he got inaugurated. He had the who's who of crypto in that thing, right? He made a tweet on Twitter and basically told people to address his live. And I think that he launched it during the crypto ball so that the largest whales in crypto in the room couldn't participate, but the average everyday American could participate. So this is the tweet. It says, "My new official Trump meme is here. It's time to celebrate everything we stand for, winning. Join my very special Trump community. Get your Trump coin now. Go to trumpmemes.com. Have fun." So if we go to his website, it looks like just a meme coin address. You can scroll down here. You can buy with a debit card, which is cool. Not surprised. Trump coming in, making things easy. Talked about how he almost died when he got shot. So he's probably planning to launch a meme coin well before, and it shows the tokenomics. It shows the distribution. And guys, I don't know if y'all know, his net worth went from $3 billion to over $60 billion in less than a day when he launched this, making him the newest crypto billionaire. Like, that's crazy. You can buy with Apple Pay, Visa, Venmo. He even has a little FAQ section here at the bottom. So as far as Trump launching a meme coin, what can this mean for crypto? Well, one, this is our first crypto president. Like, guys, our president, the president of the United States, launched a meme coin. That is insane. It's insane. And you know, it's even crazier because a few years ago, he was bashing crypto, talking about how Bitcoin was a scam against the US dollar. But one thing about Donald Trump that I can honestly say is that he keeps firm opinions weakly held. Like, I remember reading his book, Art of the Deal, and that happened with him a few times. So I'm not surprised that he changed his stance on crypto. I think he just wasn't educated about it. And then once he learned about it and its properties and the benefits, then he was an advocate. Like, who wouldn't be, honestly? So as far as what this can mean for crypto, I don't think this is going to be the last token he launches, because it's a way to raise money to get certain problems solved in America. This is probably how he's thinking. So it's like, you can compare it to going public. When a company goes public, they launch a stock or a token in crypto so they can raise money and use those funds to do different things. I would be surprised if he do that with his meme coin. Here's why it can work. One, people are gonna buy it because they know Trump is launching it and they know the price is gonna go up, so they want to make money. But the person who's launching the meme coin, aka Trump and his establishment, they can use those funds to allocate to solve problems. Everyone wins. Well, not everyone wins. Everyone think they can win. And the reason why I say that is because there's always losers in the market. Everyone's going to think they're going to make money, but inevitably people are going to lose money. That's just the reality of markets. Also, what I think this means is that we're going to have regulatory clarity, right? Which is going to allow institutions to really start adopting crypto, because institutions, they're going to come in with their billions of trillions of dollars, and they want to sit on something. They want to buy things and hold it for decades at a time. They're not like retail investors where we buy something and we'll sell it to put someone through college, go on a vacation, buy a car, whatever reason. Like, we're paper hands. Institutions, they're the real diamond hands. So regulatory clarity, I definitely think is going to happen during his term. And you got to keep in mind, he's in here for 4 years. So again, I don't think this is going to be the last token that him and his establishment launches. So now, for all of you stuck around, let me show you my yield farming strategy and show you how I'm making around 3% per day. So first, let me explain what yield farming is. There's multiple ways to get a yield in crypto. You can stake your funds on a blockchain staking contract and get paid passively to secure the network, such as the ETH 2.0 beacon chain. The yield right now is around 4 to 5%. You can stake your funds on a borrowing and lending platform and get paid to allow the platform to use your liquidity to facilitate to people who want to borrow. You can stake on an insurance platform and get paid insurance premiums. And the way that we're talking about in this video, and the way we always talk about in this channel, the most profitable way is staking your funds on exchanges and liquidity pools and getting paid when people exchange one token for another in your pool. In this case, Solana and Trump. So whenever someone uses Solana to buy Trump or uses Trump to buy Solana, I'm getting paid if they're swapping in my pool. The amount that I get paid depends on what's called my volume to TVL ratio. And as you're about to see for this pool, it's really good, dude. Let me go over all the details with you guys. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna paste in the Trump token contract address. I'm gonna click it and it shows all the pools. And look at this. The APR is so large that it doesn't even show the true APR, right? It's showing it's over 999% APR, right? So you have a 0.25%, a 0.5, a 2%. This is the one of the ones I'm in. I'm in this 2% one and I'm in this 0.25% one. The reason why I'm in both is because one, getting in and out of liquidity pools is kind of like when you're driving and let's say one lane's going really, really slow, the lane you're in, and the lane next to you is going fast. You switch over only for that lane to slow down. I like to divide and conquer, right? So you can see these are really good. The liquidity in this one is 6 million, but the 24-hour volume is 19 million. So the daily volume is almost 3x. And for this one, I don't even know what multiple that is. Liquidity is 45 million. The daily trading volume is 800 million. But this one, you're getting paid 2% on each one. This one is 0.25. So, right now, this one is still the winner. But when I first got in this one on the very first day, this one was the winner. And the reason why I'm in Sol Trump and not Trump USDC is because when you're in a bull market, you want to be, at least my opinion, you want to be in volatile liquidity pools, meaning is two altcoin tokens paired together, because a rising tide raises all ships. So Trump and Solana are probably going to go up and down together versus Trump and USDC. If Trump moons, USDC is going to stay the same. It's going to be much harder to stay in range. And I want to stay in range for this one because I believe this is going to be a golden pool, kind of like the ETH Shiba pool. I've already made a lot of money in this pool and I've been in it less than 48 hours, as I'm going to show you guys here. Also, if you guys want to get access to a world-class community where we have a 13-hour course that goes over all of the most profitable yield farming strategies that you can deploy in bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets. You get a free strategy call after you go through the course. You get access to our Yield Hunter tool that shows you the top liquidity pools in all of DeFi in real time. You get access to professional coaches and the community, buy and sell calls, literally just, I think, the best DeFi group in crypto. Go ahead and click the link in the description, book a free strategy session. You'll talk to me or one of our coaches. We'll see if our program is a good fit for you. If not, we're happy to point you in the right direction. I digress. So this is the range I selected for my Trump Solana liquidity pool. So the 2% pool is this green one, and the 0.25% is the red one. So you may be asking, why are these your ranges? Like, why you have some to the downside? Why do you have one to the upside? Well, I think this token is going to be extremely volatile. It might go down. Like you saw here, this happened and people were on Twitter like, dang, our president just rugged us. I don't think that's the case, right? The market cap right now is 8.25 billion, okay? So I do think it's a possibility that it can go down. So just in case it does, I want to capture that yield. And then I have this one, this red one like this, because I am expecting this thing to go up. Like I said, I'm going to do a price prediction at the end of this video, so you'll know how high I'm expecting this thing. And as it starts to rise, I will be raising both of these ranges. But if I go ahead and measure this here, my green range is 200% and my red range is 191%, so almost. And it's like, okay, if it goes out of my range in the green one, at least I'm still in the red. If it goes down, it's in the green. And right now, I'm in a great space because it's in both ranges. So now, let's look at what this thing is paying and how much money I've made so far. Okay, we're going to look at the 2% one, since that's the one I got in first. I got in the night he got inaugurated. And you can see that from a $4,000 position, $4,400 position, I've already made over $1,400. And the APR right now is 606%, right? And the range isn't super wide. And then you have this one right here. This one's paying out an APR of 834%. This is the range that's higher. I literally got in this one last night, less than 24 hours ago. I wish there was a way to timestamp it. But you can see I've already made 219 bucks and it's $6,000 in here. Like if this thing keeps printing like this, like guys, 834% is really good. Last night it was a little over 1,000. Okay, I'm just gonna keep taking my Solana and using it to buy more Trump. And I'm going to be selling at my price targets. Speaking of, let's go over the price prediction. All right, so guys, Donald Trump's going to be our president for 4 years unless he gets impeached, which I highly doubt. Now, I think we'll at least see Trump token go to $100 billion just this year. I think it's definitely going to surpass Shiba. I think it's definitely going to surpass Doge. Like, I think it's going to be the most profitable meme coin. Like, this is going to be a day that's etched in history for all time. Like, when we look back on crypto, Trump is going to be that guy who really sparked the rocket to take off. Like, he launched his own meme coin. So 100 billion is not out of the question. In totality, like I say, he's going to be in here 4 years. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a maybe $300 billion market cap. And it also depends on what initiatives he launched with it, like what utility he's going to create with it. Because knowing Donald Trump, I don't think he's just going to launch it and then that's it. I think he's going to use the funds towards something that gets people emotional. It's going to make more people want to buy it, or at least make people think that more people are going to want to buy it, which is going to make more people buy it. All in all, I still think it's going to go up. So with that, I'd like to conclude this video. If you got value, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Let me know what strategies, what tokens you want me to cover next. But with that, I thank you guys so much for watching. I love every single one of you who tuned in, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and trade safe.